See, I'm telling you, Nigeria, it's a wide place. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1. I'm your girl, Bella. So, how do you put me out of a job and still publish my picture online? Let me give you the lowdown, okay? Nigeria's DSS dismisses 115 personnel and publish their names online amid the public backlash. DSS, Nigeria's Secret Service, that's DSS. Nigeria sacked these 115 personnel and littered their picture online. The reason is, Nigeria's Department of State Service announced the dismissal of 115 personnel on 4th of November 2025 as a part of internal reforms to enhance professionalism, releasing their names and photos to prevent impersonation. They say it's to prevent impersonation. The action followed the US President Donald Trump's recent warning on Nigeria's security issues, though no direct connection was confirmed. Social media backlash focused on risk to the former officers' safety and families due to exposure to their identities, while some supported the move as essential for the agency cleanup. So, in one way, you are saying these people need to know. The public need to know, and the public don't need to know. What are you saying? Now, you put somebody, a high priority agent on a job. People that will come to the airport, show their ID card, you allow them pass. You put them out of a job and then show their faces. People that handle ammunition, you put them out of a job, the men and the women, and put their pictures online. Really? See, I don't see, I've said my opinion about this. You that is watching it, I need your opinion on the comment section. Okay? However you feel about this video, however you feel, put it on the comment section, because it is a wide place. Now the government that are saying, the people that sack these people are saying that it is for impersonation. May they know impersonate. Yes, and still put their pictures. Secret Service agents, you post their pictures online and claim it is for impersonation. Sad. On the other news, apart from the crude oil that Nigeria has, Nigeria is the second largest exporter of cement in the whole Africa. Nigeria has the second largest cement in the whole of Africa. West Africa, East Africa, South Africa, East, all the Africa, Nigeria is the highest. So you see why these people want to come and use backdoor and enter our country. Hear from this man.
Nigeria used to be the second largest importer of cement in the world. And now we have reversed it. Nigeria now exports cement more than any other African country. We built from the zero level to the second largest plant of fertilizer in the world. So Nigeria now, not only we actually export 37% of our fertilizer to the United States of America. Again, in terms of petrochemical, Nigeria imports about 350,000 polypropylene. Now we have addressed that issue. It's not going to happen again. We'll export, not only that we'll meet the local demand, we'll export 600,000 out of the country to serve all the other African countries. And we went on and said, okay, fine. What's the highest, biggest capacity of refinery that has ever been built in the world?
Right.
By Saudi Aramco, which is 430,000 barrels. We said that let us do what has never ever been done before. That is to do 650,000 barrels per day.